In this video, we'll solve an equation that contains factorials. We know factorials can be expressed as factorial n equals n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 till 1. So here we can express factorial 8 as 8 times 7 times 6 times till 1. Or we can write with the multiplication sign 8 times 7 times 6 times till 1. Again, we can express factorial 8 as 8 times factorial 7. Similarly, we can write this again as 8 times 7 times factorial 6. So these are the properties of factorial. So from the given equation, we have 1 by factorial 6 plus 1 by factorial 7 equals x by factorial 8. Now we can multiply both sides with factorial 8. Factorial 8 times 1 by factorial 6 plus 1 by factorial 7 equals factorial 8 times x by factorial 8. We can see that this factorial 8 and factorial 8 cancels, and we can arrange and we can write x on the left side equals factorial 8 times 1 by factorial 6 plus factorial 8 times 1 by factorial 7. Now we can write factorial 8 as 8 times 7 times factorial 6 by factorial 6 plus, again factorial 8 can be written as 8 times factorial 7 by factorial 7. Here we can see that this factorial 6 and 6 cancels, and here factorial 7 and 7 cancels, and we can write 8 times 7 56 plus 8 equals 64. So the value of x for this given equation is 64. So this is how we can solve this factorial equation in very simple ways. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.